Why are you damn lawyers afraid to appeal or respond to an NOIR? Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States at our offices in St. Louis, San Diego, and Washington, D.C. One of the YouTube commenters was complaining the other day saying all these damn immigration lawyers are afraid to fight on a case and they always tell you to refile. While I understand the sentiment and I understand the frustration, I suspect that the reason why most immigration lawyers who know what they're doing tell you to abandon a flawed case is if there's a way to reset the clock or reset the process and refile with greater information, greater documentation, and a stronger case, you're always going to be better off, or almost always going to be better off doing that than filing an appeal. The problem with appeals is they go into a black hole. Nobody ever really responds to them. Nobody really looks at them in any timely fashion. We've seen appeals take 18 months, and if the underlying case is fundamentally flawed, why would you ever appeal a case that you can't win? That would be a waste of money. That would be bad for you. That would be bad for the lawyer, although I guess the lawyer would be being paid. And the reason that we're telling people mostly to refile is we think there's something fundamentally wrong with the case that you filed. We think we can fix it, and we think that the best way to fix that is to file a new application. This is especially true in the green card context because sometimes we can get another employment authorization document, which you're not going to get when you try to file a I-290B motion to reopen or reconsider. That is just simply not going to work in most situations, and you're going to be better off 9 times out of 10, and I literally mean that 9 times out of 10 you're going to be better off filing to a whole new application as opposed to responding to a denial with an appeal. As far as notice of intent to revoke, we file responses to notice of intent to revoke all the time. We've actually won many cases that the USCIS has indicated that they want to revoke a prior approval or deny a petition that's pending. We have responded to requests for evidence or notices of intent to deny or notices of intent to revoke, and we've won those cases. So we're certainly not afraid of them. But if we were to look over something and say, this is something that's probably not going to be able to be won, this NOIR probably cannot be overcome, we're going to tell you that. We don't want to just take your money in the hopes that you might get relief on a 5% or a 7% chance of success. We're not going to do that. We're playing it straight. So lawyers aren't out there afraid of USCIS. I mean, maybe there are some lawyers, but there aren't any lawyers at Hacking Immigration Law that are afraid to take on an NOIR or afraid to take on appeal. The only reason we would tell you not to file an appeal or not to respond to an NOIR is because it's not in your best interest. That's core value number 2 here at the Hacking Immigration Law Firm. We do what's in the best interest of the client, and we don't do just what's in our best interest, i.e. making money. So I would push back against that commenter who thinks that there are lawyers who are afraid of filing responses to NOIRs or filing motions to reopen or filing appeals. It's simply what's in the best interest of the client, and that's what we're going to do. Hope this makes sense. If you have questions, give us a call, 314-961-8200. Email us, info@hackinglawpractice.com. Be sure to join us in our Facebook group, which is called Immigrant Home. If you like this video, we ask that you please share it out on social, that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and that you join us most Tuesdays and Thursdays from noon Central, where we answer as many of your immigration law-related questions in just 1 hour. Thanks a lot, and have a great day.